our dolls have a new pool, let's decorate the pool house. The first thing we have to do is make it larger. We are going to double the space using recycled cardboard. So I measure and mark the cardboard to make a 12 by 12 inch square, then two 15 by 12 inch rectangles. Cut on the lines drawn, and remember to always have adult supervision when working with sharp objects. To make the walls and floor for the room, cover them with scrapbook paper. I covered one wall with an ocean scene. I used a marble for the floor and a white brick for the other wall. Glue them together to make another corner room. Cut clear plastic from packaging, glue it over the picture, glue on square wooden dowels to make a window. Now we can bring in our doll home office and place it on the wall. But since it has a freestanding wall, we can place it anywhere we like to divide the space, giving us two separate rooms. So in this room, we can make a small kitchen area. Take foam board, draw rectangles, cut on the line drawn. This is a 10 by 5.5 inch rectangle. This is a 3 by 10, and these are 5.5 by 2.5. So this is the front, sides, and top. Glue them together. Before I glue on the top, I take a small plastic container, trace around it, cut it out, then glue it inside. Then glue it on top, cut and glue on foam board for cabinets, drawers, and a mini fridge. I added a small piece of foam on the side for a refrigerator handle. Cut cardstock and clear plastic, glue it on top to make a stove. Oops, I'm a little uneven there, but can't take it off now, so we'll have to work with it. I glue it into the room, cut and bend wire, glue it above the sink. I added another piece of wire onto the side for a handle to make a faucet. Add foam board shelves to create a little storage. Add a few home items like paper towels from our paperclip video, bowls from our doll noodles video, and other doll accessories. I want to use this little Barbie pot, but the peg on the back makes it difficult for it to stay standing up. So I cut a circle of craft foam with the center removed to place underneath the pot, and now I can set it on the stove and not have to worry about it falling over. Add a table and chairs so the dolls have a place to sit and have breakfast. We made this table in our doll cafe, and the chairs came from our beach table and chair set. Let's add a few more pillows to the couch. Using yarn, I crochet a small throw to lay over the side of the couch, giving the dolls something warm and cozy so they can turn the couch into a daybed. We need some artwork. Pour paint onto a piece of paper, swirl it around. Just have fun moving the colors. Allow it to dry. Cut, stack, and glue layers of paperboard. Glue the paper on top. Wrap the paper around the edges to make a large abstract painting. I add a large plant to the back corner. I need something on this back wall, so I printed off a few cute sayings, and we're going to attach that right to the wall to finish the look. It's almost like we have a little apartment with a kitchen area, dining area, a large picture window, home office, and living room/bedroom. And since it is made in sections, we can always add on to expand the space. Our dolls are going to have a great summer with their new pool and pool house. Thank you for joining us while we decorated the pool house. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And you're done.
Happy crafting!
want to give a shout out to Rebecca Price, 2006. What's up? Mom just remodeled the pool house. Now it has a kitchen. I'm moving in. Home sweet home.
Sophie, what are you doing? I'm moving into the pool house.
Say what?